Money. Most people find the subject uncomfortable, whether it's a touchy topic with your parents, your friends don't share your ambition, or those around you simply don't understand how money really works. As Francis Bacon wisely said, money is a great servant, but a bad master. It can work for you day and night. After all, money doesn't sleep. But if you're not careful, it can take over your life, pushing you into dark places. This is why balance is key. Without it, you risk losing yourself in the pursuit of wealth. Ever wonder why schools don't teach us how to make money work for us? From a young age, the education system conditions us to think within the box. Wake up early, go to school, get good grades, and dream about landing a job. But why does it push the idea that a job is the only way to make money? This isn't to criticize those working jobs or aiming for high-respect professions. It's about questioning the system that molds our beliefs. Our beliefs about money are shaped by our upbringing until we decide to break the cycle and educate ourselves about true wealth. And here's the thing. You don't need to be a genius to figure this out. We've all seen people with low IQs who have amassed wealth. Making money isn't reserved for the elite. It's a skill, like learning to ride a bike or drive a car. The way we think about money has a huge impact on how we attract it. It's like the red car theory. You start noticing red cars everywhere after you think about them, not because there are more red cars on the road, but because your mind is now tuned to notice them. The same goes for money. By shifting your mindset, you can proactively attract opportunities. For example, if you're looking for a new job, you can set your intention radar on that goal. Attend industry events, connect with professionals, and polish your resume. By focusing on attracting money, you'll find business opportunities, partners, and anything else you want. Financial wealth starts with your psychology. Money gravitates toward high-value people. If you can provide value, whether as a realtor or owning a nationwide hotel chain, you'll be compensated accordingly. But you have to be specific about how much money you want. Don't just say a lot or more than I have now. Break it down. If you want to make $1 million a year, that's $83,333 a month. That could be 2 businesses making $41,666 each, 4 businesses making $20,833, or even 20 businesses making $4,166 each. Ultimately, the goal is to make money work for you, not the other way around.